Hey, what's up, guys? It's Boston Rob. I just wanted to reach out to all of you guys and give you a little look at what's going on in my world. First of all, I want to start off and just say that I am working on this project alone, social distancing. It's my own project. It's a home renovation, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's about 20 years old, so basically it's getting a complete update, but it's mostly cosmetic stuff. Painting, new floors, a new kitchen, new lighting, that kind of stuff. Structurally, we only took down one non-load bearing wall, and we're into the demo process. So I'll give you a little look around. Today, I'm working on stripping these floors here. There was old linoleum here, and there was a bunch of glue underneath, and I'm using some floor stripper. We're just putting it down with a basic roller, and you can see the kitchen is gutted. We're also working on the ceilings. It used to have, you can see over here, it's not done, the old popcorn ceilings, and we scraped all the ceilings, so not all of them, but we started scraping the ceilings, and that's going to give it a cleaner look when we repaint it. You can see in the bathroom also, we've stripped out the vanities, the toilets and stuff, and also stripping out these floors. In the main room there was carpet, so we pulled that up, and there was just basically tack strips holding that down. And yeah, that's what's going on here. So I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna try it out, and everybody's kind of going through this whole coronavirus thing. We're all in this together. So maybe just a little look at what's going on over here, and you guys let me know. Give me suggestions, what you'd like to see, if you want to see more of the process or the updates day to day. It's probably going to take about 4 to 6 weeks to get this thing done. I'm doing the entire project myself. I'm not getting any help from anyone, so it's a one-man show, and with that, you get the peace and quiet of being able to work alone, but if you mess anything up, you got nobody to blame but yourself. So, okay, we'll give it a try. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to see more, we'll continue, and if not, hey, we'll let it go. All right, take care.